Day, the 21st of July in Boston. And tonight we talked about varying our moves so that we have even more moves coming out of our basic technique. We're going to start with the beginner's class and we practice our triple steps like so. A rock step, triple step, rock step, easy steps, rock step, triple. You might travel in a moment to do this, you know.
So we're focusing on continuity and smoothness of movement and relaxation. So now we can use that to travel and direction. And from there we have turns. And from there, we're struggling to get into our intermediate material. So we have to stand out here, we're in footwork variations. So, kick, push,
Do your basic as many times as you want, and then variations. So we'll show you the football variations on our own. You can practice it with a partner on your own. So one of the practices you can do is simply to strip it right back to basics, which is just a walk for 6 beats. So I'm simply going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then allow yourself a triple step somewhere in there. So I'm going to put a triple step in 5 and 6. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So don't always do the triple steps as a pattern. Here's another one. 5, 6. I'm going to do something different. I might go 5, 6 as a slide. I might go 5, 6 as a turn. I might go 5, 6 as 2 walks. So we can look like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. So we covered a little bit about the Suzy cue. I have my left foot free. I want to fall on it and 5, 6. 1 foot free, fall on it and 5, 6. And when we put it together like in a partnership, you can practice kickaways, or let's stand this way. You can go kickaways, or we can do kickball change, or we can go at 5, 6 and 5, 6. So see how many you spot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And of course, you can add that into your swing out as well, which we'll do next week.